Let me say at the beginning that those who want to get good videos about Forex and know all the details of Forex and the reason of your loss, follow this playlist of FOREX BD. All the videos has been uploaded here. So the topic we are going to talk about today is a small technique of complying with money management. If you follow this small technique, you will be able to follow money management easily and your hassle will be less. So today's topic is very short and I will not make this video too big. I will just talk to you about a small topic. This will play a big helpful role in maintaining your balance and you will be able to trade Forex very easily. We all know about money management and we have uploaded various videos on this topic. I hope you all have seen this video. If you haven't seen it, please watch the video. You can know about money management. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Before we talk about money management, one thing is need to be clear. We all know about leverage. Different broker offers different type of leverage. Many brokers also offer unlimited leverage starting from minimum 1:50. Not everyone pays the same leverage, but most brokers offer more or less leverage. The reason for talking about leverage here is that if we take a look a little while taking leverage, then we will get many benefits even in the case of money management. We all know that leverage means loan. We deposit money in Forex such as $100, $200, $300 or many people deposit with less than that. So Forex trading is not done with such a small amount. So before, ordinary people could not do Forex trading without big companies. And that's why the broker is giving you these facilities. That is, you can do Forex trading even with a small amount deposit through the broker. And broker gives you leverage to trade. It's not possible for trader like us to do Forex trading without leverage. Broker allows us to trade like a big account with small amount through leverage. If you take 1:500 leverage, it means that the broker gives you up to 500 times based on your balance. That is, if your balance is $100 and if your leverage is 1:500, then your total balance will be $50,000. That means you can trade like a $50,000 account with just $500. So the main problem is here because we use more leverage, so our balance is increased. But the problem is that because of the higher balance, we trade with larger lot size. In other words, when we fall into greed, we break the money management and use the higher leverage. And this is the reason for breaking money management. But when you trade with small leverage, you can trade with large lot size even if you want. Then you are obliged to obey money management. We don't get stuck because of taking big leverage. So we fall into greedy and break the money management and trade using big lot size. And lastly, we have to face loss. So maybe the only way to overcome this is to use less leverage. Leverage is much higher in Asia, but in Europe country the leverage is 1:50. So you can trade in big lot size with this kind of leverage. So at such a moment you will be forced to obey money management. We have made this video especially for beginners because the newcomers suffer from this problem and they can't accept money management. Since these things are mind related, it takes time to master this thing so you can train with low leverage. It will not be a problem for you and there is no chance to loss. The advantage with a higher leverage is that you can only trade with a large amount. That is, you can trade like a big amount with small balance. But the profit of big leverage and low leverage is always same. So you can take small leverage, especially those who are new. This will reduce the risk on your account. Of course, it's better to work with low risk. It will be less harmful and less likely to make mistake. So why would you take the more leverage and increase the pressure on yourself without any reason and without any benefit? Those who have been trading for a long time or those who are skilled trader can use a large leverage if they want. We have talked about leverage in a different way in this video. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is ICM Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account verification system are same. so you can upload your document in 3 accounts. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. Those who want forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. And there are many video about forex in your favorite channel FOREX BD. So if you need to know anything, come here and there have many videos about forex. So you can follow this channel. So viewers, this is our today's video. Hopefully you can understand our video. And before finishing the video, I would like to say, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.